Most gardeners buy plants at their local nursery or garden centre and rarely worry about the legalities of plant sourcing, since using a reputable firm should give us the assurances we need that all is above board. But there are a couple of laws governing plant protection that we should be familiar with, especially as interest grows in wildflowers and propagating. The first is CITES, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, and this covers rare plants as well as more high-profile animals like tigers. The second is PBR, Plant Breeders' Rights, to protect the investment made by plant breeders to develop new varieties of plants for our gardens. CITES protects listed plants in the wild and controls trade in plant material. It's quite complex, but the key protection is that it is illegal to dig up any listed plant from the wild, even to plant it in a garden. Good examples in the UK are snowdrops and English bluebells, which must be propagated for sale and not dug up from the countryside. It is important to check on where these and other wildflowers come from before you buy. Plant breeders' rights give protection to, I suppose you could say, man-made plants, new variety of plants similar to a copyright or a patent. Developing new varieties with particular characteristics is a long and expensive process that fails as often as it succeeds. So once PBR has been granted, anyone who wants to propagate the new plants for sale needs a license and pays a fee. The plant label should always make it clear that a PBR is in place. Recent examples include many of the new colours of heuchera, including my favourite, marmalade, shown on the bottom here. So a little care ensures that native plants and plant breeders' efforts are protected. Take advantage of the spring planting season and happy gardening.